Hi, this is Shinahara. Today, I am at a rental apartment in Yokohama. A new Imechen renovation has been completed. So I'd like to give you a tour of the room. This renovation was carried out by the Imechen Fujisawa store. So I will be interviewing Mr. Maeda about what kind of work was done. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
May I ask for a brief overview of this property?
Yes, this is a condominium located in Kohoku Ward, Yokohama City, Kanagawa.
And what's the approximate size of this apartment?
It's about 24 square meters.
24 square meters. Got it. Alright, so could you tell us what kind of renovation work was done?
Sure.
We are distributing a makeover pamphlet. Please check the details in the description.
So, Mr. Maeda, regarding the requests from the owner of this property, what kind of work or specific requests did the owner have?
First and foremost, the owner wanted to convert the layout from a 2K to a 1K.
I see. Originally, this apartment was a 2K rental condominium. And there was a door around here, right?
Yes, that's right. There used to be a wall and a door around here, but we removed them to create one spacious room, as requested by the owner.
Also, the overall design has a natural and stylish feel. Speaking of this Western-style room area, after removing the partition wall, what other requests were there from the owner?
They wanted an accent wallpaper on the ceiling, a lighting rail installed, and also, as you can see, there's a large shelf here which they requested to have installed.
I see, thank you. So, this is a rental apartment, and I can see storage space in the back. There's also a pipe hanger installed here too, so that tenants can hang their clothes. And since this part is designed as corner shelving, it provides quite a bit of storage capacity. Was adding these storage spaces one of the owner's requests?
Yes, exactly. We built them based on reference photos the owner provided.
By the way, what kind of wood is this?
This is pine wood.
So, it's laminated wood?
Yes, it's laminated pine.
I see. And was this custom cut and processed?
Yes, we cut it, sanded it, and applied a coating.
Oh, so it's coated. Is this a clear coating?
Yes, that's right.
I'm not sure if the video captures it well, but when you look closely, you can see the transparent coating on the surface. By the way, is this like the common Sabu Roku, 3x6, or Sanpachi, 3x8 plywood, that you bought and cut?
That's right. We used standard boards, sanded the edges so they're smooth and safe to touch.
And for this project, did you use Sabu Roku or Sanpachi?
We used Sabu Roku boards this time.
Got it. Looking at this pine laminated shelving, there's a fixed shelf on top, right?
Yes.
And below that, there are 3 adjustable shelf boards. How many Sabu Roku boards did that take?
That's equivalent to 2 sheets.
I see. To help the viewers understand the size, could you explain the dimensions? A Sabu Roku board is equivalent to 1 tatami mat. So its width is about?
It is about 91 centimeters.
And the length?
About 182 centimeters.
Thank you. So, how did you cut and process them?
Each board's long side is 120 centimeters. So we cut it to 120 centimeters first. Then, since the depth of the shelves is 30 centimeters, we cut it into 3 pieces. 30, 30, and 30 centimeters, 3 in total.
I see, so to make 6 shelves, you use 2 Sabu Roku boards, right?
Exactly.
And the top one has a different thickness, doesn't it?
Yes, the thickness is different, and it's a bit longer. Each shelf measures 250 centimeters in width. So 250 centimeters on that side, and 250 centimeters on this side as well.
I see. So, did you buy a 2.5 meter piece and cut it to fit?
We actually used a 3-meter long board with a depth of 500 millimeter, cut and processed it for this installation.
I see, So you cut it and divided it into two pieces.
That's right, since we couldn't bring it in, we cut it in half.
So, that means the upper fixed part has a shelf board that is 50 centimeters wide, and the lower part is 30 centimeters wide. I think the viewers probably have a clearer idea of the size now. Thank you for the explanation. And, I see there are brackets attached here. What's the purpose of those?
They're for reinforcement to prevent the shelf from collapsing or falling.
So, it's fixed from the sides. And also suspended from the ceiling.
Yes, that's right.
Got it. This makes it durable, so even heavy items won't cause it to fall. Thank you. Now, what other kinds of renovation work were done?
We also worked inside the storage closet. Originally, it was lined with thin plywood. But we couldn't just apply wallpaper directly onto it, so we had to dismantle it first.
So, you completely dismantled the plywood?
Yes, because some parts were rotting. So we dismantled it, built a new frame, installed new boards, laid a new floor, and made new shelves.
So, the bottom panel here was also rebuilt?
Yes, that's correct.
So, you removed the original baseboard, then replaced it by installing new plywood on top?
Yes. We use standard construction plywood.
And this top shelf, is it a pre-made product? It doesn't look like it.
No, it's not. The owner asked for an additional custom shelf. So we made it to order instead of using a pre-made product. It's made from the same material as the shelving over here.
By the way, I believe this is your first time appearing on YouTube to showcase a renovation project, right?
Yes.
You used to be a carpenter, didn't you? But for this project, you didn't personally do the work?
I actually handled this renovation myself as well.
Oh, really? So, did you create this kind of shelf yourself?
Yes, that's right.
What about this shelf board?
Yes. I made all of them.
Wow, that's impressive. Could you tell us what other parts of the renovation you worked on directly?
As for other parts, I also replaced this door here.
So, you did that yourself too? Was there originally a door here?
Yes, there was a door.
And the client requested that you replace it with a new one this time?
Yes, that's correct.
Which manufacturer is this door from?
It's from Lixil and it's called La Sisa S.
The La Sisa S series. Got it. And what about the door you mentioned earlier?
This one is the original door, but we applied a decorative film sheet on top.
If you look at the back, you can kind of tell its original condition. But the front side has been completely covered. I see that the color of this new sheet and the new door are very similar, right?
That's right.
So you intentionally coordinated the colors to make them consistent. Thank you. Now, something else caught my attention. The edge part of the door frame looks a bit different.
Yes, we made that door sill, using the same wood material as the shelves.
So this raised frame here, called Kamachi, was this newly made by you?
Yes, I made it using leftover wood from the shelving boards.
I see, you used the offcuts from the shelves. Was that from the upper shelves or the lower ones?
From the lower shelves.
So you used leftover pieces from the thinner shelf boards to make this?
That's right. And I also made the kamachi at the entrance.
Oh, really? Let's take a look at the entryway then. This kamachi here at the entrance is also newly built. In many of Imechen renovation projects, the kamachi is often redone using vinyl tiles, or pre-made trim pieces. But in this case, you used the leftover shelving material to create it.
Exactly. We didn't want to waste any materials.
It looks really nice, thank you. Since we're at the entrance, could you also explain the entrance? This herringbone wood grain on the door looks great.
We applied a sheet to this as well.
So this is also covered with a sheet, thank you. What other work was done here?
We also built this new shoe cabinet.
I see, this one is new as well.
Yes.
Is this a pre-made product?
No, this one is custom built as well.
Really? So you didn't use any ready-made furniture this time?
That's right, there wasn't a pre-made size that fit here.
I see. So, originally, there was some kind of shoebox or storage space here, right? But since you couldn't find a standard unit that would fit, you had to make it yourself this time. Thank you. That's definitely the strength of having a carpenter's background.
Exactly.
Were there any other parts you worked on? The paintwork looks really clean too.
Yes, we repainted the door frame and the mail slot.
And this breaker box area looks nice and refreshed as well.
That's right.
Now, next to the entryway, there's a washing machine space with a drain pan. Was that originally here?
Yes, there was a washing pan before, but the current model didn't fit the old space. So we extended the floor slightly to make room for it.
I see. So the entryway floor area used to be a bit larger?
Yes, originally the tile floor extended up to around here. But since that made it impossible to fit a standard-sized washing pan, we built out the floor a little to adjust the depth, and installed the new one in this position.
Got it. By the way, what's the size of this washing pan?
It's 64 by 64.
So it's a 64 centimeters square. The faucet here looks clean too.
Yes, we replaced that as well.
So, since there was originally a space for a washing machine here, were things like the outlet or lighting fixtures already in place?
They were, but we replaced them all with new ones during the renovation.
Thank you. And next to the washing machine space is the kitchen area, right?
Yes.
Was this wall here originally?
Yes, this wall was already here. And this is the space for the refrigerator.
I see. And right next to it, we have the kitchen. It looks really clean and modern now.
Originally, there was a mini kitchen installed here. But this time we replaced it with Lixil's TO Series kitchen.
So, from a box-style mini kitchen, you upgraded it to a compact kitchen type. What's the size of this Lixil TO unit?
It's 120 centimeter.
So, a 1.2 meter wide kitchen with 2 burners, plus a built-in grill. And I see the range hood and the upper cabinets are also new. For the cabinets under the grill and the sink, are those swing doors?
Yes. They're swing doors.
So, plenty of accessible storage below as well. Thank you. What other renovations did you work on?
We also redid the bathroom. We applied new sheet coverings on the walls and ceiling.
So these are vinyl sheets. It looks incredibly clean now. Did you cover all 4 walls?
Yes, all 4 walls.
I see. And I notice you used a different color on one wall.
Yes, this section has an accent color, while the other walls are finished in white.
That gives a nice contrast. How about the sink and bathtub? Were those replaced?
The bathtub was kept as is, but all the fixtures were replaced with new ones.
So, the sink is new?
Yes, the sink, thermostat, faucet, mirror, shelf, lighting fixtures, all new. We also installed a bathroom dryer.
Indeed. I see the remote control for the bathroom dryer here. But the bathroom door wasn't ready in time for filming, right?
Right.
At the time of shooting this video, the new bathroom door hadn't arrived yet. But you're particular about replacing this door too. Is there a specific reason for replacing the door?
The door wasn't functioning properly anymore, so we had no choice but to replace it.
I see. Thank you. And what's this room next to it?
That's the toilet.
Did you also replace the toilet door?
Yes.
It's looking nice. Did you do any work inside the toilet?
Yes, we built a new shelf, and also replaced the toilet and the washlet seat.
I see, thank you. And this time, are all the switches and related fixtures completely new?
Yes, we replaced all of the electrical fixtures with new ones.
Got it. And this part of the hallway near the kitchen, is that a new light?
Yes, we replaced it with new one too. As for the lighting in the Western-style room, the owner requested a lighting rail with spotlights, so we installed that according to their request. Also, we replaced the air conditioner with a brand new unit. Additionally, one of the lower window panes was cracked, so we replaced that glass as well. And we also installed a new air vent grill.
So, both the vent grill here and the one located on the wall between the kitchen and this room were replaced?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you very much.
We are distributing a makeover pamphlet. Please check the details in the description.
Thank you for joining us today. May I ask about the total renovation cost for this project?
Including tax, it came to 2.1 million yen.
Thank you. By the way, this was your first appearance in an Imechen YouTube channel. How did it feel?
I was really nervous.
You were? You seemed perfectly calm. Since many viewers are probably meeting you for the first time, could you tell us a bit about what the Imechen Fujisawa store specializes in and the areas you serve?
Sure, in terms of our service area, we can handle any location within Kanagawa Prefecture. And in terms of what we specialize in, carpentry work is definitely our strongest suit.
Since Mr. Maeda is a carpenter himself, if it's a renovation or remodeling project involving carpentry work, there's a chance that the president himself might be on site. But even for projects that don't involve carpentry, they can basically take on all kinds of work. So, for anyone watching this video who are interested in working with the Fujisawa store, I hope you'll feel free to reach out and contact them. Thank you for today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. If you do not yet have the Imechen brochure, it's available for download from our website. So we encourage you to please download it. Additionally, we have a separate YouTube channel called The Backside of Imechen, where we share behind-the-scenes footage of our shoots and casual discussions with our affiliated shops. We'd love for you to check that out as well. Thank you for watching until the end.